Hello, thanks for stopping by. Brand new channel. This is the first video of it, just an introduction of what the channel is going to be. The amateur paint-in is exactly what that is. I'm the amateur. It's going to be a paint-in. I'm hoping you'll all join me. It's not going to be painting lessons. I personally don't have the knowledge to give the lessons. I may have some tips and tricks I could pass on to you, but I'm no pro. And I don't have a ton of money to be buying expensive painting stuff. So if you've ever thought, I don't have really good gear, I don't have great paints, I don't have paintbrushes, I don't have any talent, don't let that stop you. If you want to paint, damn it, just paint. Dollar store. You can get anything like this at the dollar store. It's going to be fun. I'm hoping this is mainly going to motivate you guys to just at least pick up a paintbrush and slap some paint somewhere on a canvas and get rolling. You never know, you might discover you have amazing talent. Most of you are probably going to paint better pictures than me, but that's absolutely perfect. That's good. Maybe I will have got you to paint in the first place.